show Buffett. Welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cars, Stands and Class. And I'm your beautiful, nice, great fan host, Nkupi the entertainer. Today we're here at V&Sons and we'll see what's the order of the day. He came to wake me up and said, let's go, I want to show you something special. And we collected paint. So I don't know, we'll see what's going on, where these paints are going. The customer's ride, and now we're going to take it to V&Sons to make it right. Now we're taking it to V&Sons. The tires, it has, I think it's a firing problem, but we'll see. We'll see as we get home. As we get to V&Sons. Heavy Crazy is following me in that GDI. So yeah, there's a big Crazy behind me. Oh, here's a big Crazy. Be crazy. Yeah, guys, we have arrived and the test is here. Finished. All these cars outside, they're done and finished. They're waiting for the customers to just bring them guap. They take. So now we're gonna check out the surprise build AB. Hola! AB Crazy head. I wonder what the build looks like. Whatever it is, can't wait to see it. Ukwela Ocean Gate, hey man. So we will see what is it AB Crazy has in stock for us. Let's see the paints where they're going. Sure. You're here. Not preps. So the baby crazy. Baby Crazy building a Vura. I came at the right time. Hey, AB Crazy. Building a Vura, fan. AB Crazy will be in this Vura. Will be also the paints are for Vura. I'm telling you. I'm sure the engine is already worked on. I know AB Crazy. The moment he brings the car to painting, he's done here. Alright. See you later, man. As long as he brought the paint. Yeah. Ooh. As long as he brought the paint. I can't wait. AB Crazy. V&Sons. V&Sons is getting me very excited. Yeah, they prepared this car. Smooth. So smooth. Aye. The day I see this car finished, I will also want one. I will also want one. The day I see this one finished, I'm telling you now, I'll want one. I want one the day this car is on the road. But I know the fact that he decided to bring it to painting, doesn't bring it to painting. It'd be crazy, guys. Can't wait to be in the sky. Sky built a Vura. Can't wait to be in this car. Oh, I think think these are the bumpers. This should be the bumpers. This should be the bumpers. Yeah, this is the rear one. They're preparing it. This is a bumper with the beading. This is the beading. This is the part where they don't paint. The spoiler. Hey guys, why am I feeling funky? I feel like I want it. Yo, look at that red car. Yo. Oh, this guy paints you. But the new paint is just nice. They prepared the bumper. I'll be sitting here. I'll be sitting here. I'll be sitting here. I'll be sitting here like this. This is me in a few days when we are done. VR6. VR6. As much as I say, we know everybody wants a VR6. So those primers and that we brought are for this car. This guy didn't tell me that he's building a Vora. Guys, you know what I'm gonna do? As soon I'm gonna make sure that I also get one as soon as possible. The day, as he's still excited of having me around, because I know excitement ends. When it ends, I should be having a VR6 as well, complete one. I just can't wait for the lights and that lip. You know, on Voras there are lips. See these lips? There are lips they put on this Voras. I don't like that big one. No, they're perfect type of lip they put. So those who know engines, what type of Vora engine is this one? Is it an OBD1, OBD2? How do you know this OBDs, guys? Please educate me. How do you know it's OBDs? Some people say no, it's an OBD1. OBD2. I don't know. I just say VR6. Honestly, just say VR6. Oh, there's the, where's the bonnet? I'm not seeing it. But here's the boot. Here's the boot. Prepared. Guys, please assist me. How do you know OBD1 and OBD2? Where do you check? I need that information. OBD1 and OBD2. Yeah, but guys, EB Crazy has a lot of secrets. Builds a Vora and doesn't even say anything about it. Keeps quiet. Keeps quiet until the car is finished. What part did I miss? Let me go see. Let's go see the exhaust. Let's go see the exhaust. Toba, beautiful. The best part of Vora. Toba. And the pipes. Mind the pipes. This one. I'm fine. After he proves himself with his food, I'll go I want one after he proves himself with this one. The day this one is running in on the road, I'll start to say, hey, this and that and that and that. But now I'll just sit back and watch as this one is being brought to life. So you saw those paints that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Yeah, for this car. I don't know if things are missing or they put them. Sure. Don't know if things are missing or they put them there. But it is what it is.
No, man.